This is the Moen Banbury centerset faucet in polished chrome. It has a beautiful, classic look, but if you have noticed your everyday water flow getting weak or spraying sideways lately, you don't need a plumber. You just need to clean the aerator. Here is a pro tip to avoid ruining the mirror-like chrome finish. Never wrap bare metal pliers around the spout tip. It will scratch and chip the veneer instantly. Use this tool sold included in the box instead. Firmly grip the housing and unthread it clockwise. Inside, you will find the rubber seal and a small aerator peel. Look closely at the screen mesh. This is where household sediment, rust chunks, and mineral scale build up over time. Don't poke the screen with a needle. You can tear the plastic mesh, drop the parts into a small cup of standard white vinegar for 30 minutes to dissolve the scale. Then give it a light scrub with an old toothbrush. Flush the faucet spout once before putting it back. Thread it back on hand tight. You get your full water pressure back without spending a dime or leaving a single scratch on your Moen hardware.